How to add transitions in Premiere Pro. Make sure to watch this video until the end so you don't make any mistakes. Now, in order for us to add transitions in our Premiere Pro, here is how we are going to get this done. I'm just going to go ahead and zoom in a little bit to further make this easier. Now, I'm going to go ahead and basically click the V or the selection tool, and then we're just going to go ahead and make sure that we see something like this. Now, I'm going to go ahead and right click and then click Apply Default Transitions. Now, after doing so, you should be able to see this transition right here. I'm going to play it. All right, there you go. So that is the default transition. Now, say for example, you don't like that, you can just go ahead and delete it, and then we can go ahead and basically look for the effects tab. Now, here in the effects tab, you're going to go ahead and click video transitions, and then you can go ahead and basically choose from different transitions here. Say for example, I'm just going to go ahead and try to find something. Say for example here, immersive video. I'm going to go ahead and choose light leaks or VR light leaks, and then I'm going to go ahead and add it just like so. So here is how it is going to look. Take a look at this, everyone. All right, there you go. Now, if you want to make this longer, you can go ahead and drag this one and then basically do it here. You can go ahead and also drag this just like so, similar to the other end if you want to. So here is how it is going to look now. And yep, that is how to add transitions in Premiere Pro.